Hello guys, and welcome back to another Google Classroom tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to submit your assignment in Google Classroom, but this time from an iPad. So the first thing I want you to do is to log into your class, and I'm going to be logging into my sample demo class. Then you click on classwork, that's at the bottom here. Next, I'm going to choose the assignment that I want. I'm selecting this shopping spree. Next, I'm going to click on this arrow at the bottom here so that I can see the attachment. Okay? Now, I want to open this attachment. So I'll click on it. Once it loads, I'm now going to click on this icon to open it in the Google Sheets app. Now that it's open, you'll notice that the 3 sheets are at the bottom. This particular Google worksheet has 3 worksheets at the bottom. So I'm going to first finish typing everything. I'm going to click on this icon here to hide my keyboard. Then I'm going to click on the the check mark at the top left hand corner. I'll click on this arrow to go back. I'll also click on Classroom up here to go back to Classroom. Okay? I will exit here. I will X this out because I'm finished with my assignment. I'm now going to click on the Turn In button. And click Turn In again. And that's how you submit an assignment in Google Classroom. Thank you for watching.